Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Stemscope Kids Portable Microscope 2.0 is probably one of the most exciting and educational tools you can get for your curious young scientist, offering a gateway to the unseen world right at their fingertips, transforming everyday objects into fascinating discoveries and fostering a lifelong love for science and exploration through its user-friendly design and impressive magnification capabilities, making it an ideal companion for budding researchers eager to unravel the mysteries of nature and the universe around them. Number 5. MicroBrite Plus MM300 Pocket Microscope. Experience lab-tested accuracy with this device. It offers reliable performance and precise magnification, ensuring you get the results you need every time. This compact and lightweight tool is perfect for science on the go. Use it as a field microscope or in the classroom for easy, portable exploration. Bring science lessons to life with this engaging STEM toy. It encourages hands-on learning and helps foster a deeper understanding of the world around us. The advanced built-in light system illuminates your specimen evenly. This ensures bright, clear vision for accurate observations, even with small details. Discover a wide range of magnification from 60x to 120x. It adapts to any experiment, providing stunning accuracy for viewing slides or everyday objects. What we like. This microscope offers lab-tested accuracy for reliable results. Its pocket-sized design makes it incredibly portable for field trips or classroom use. If you need a dependable and easy-to-carry microscope for educational exploration, this is a great choice. What people say. The Stemscope Kids Portable Microscope 2.0 has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts for hours, making it convenient for on-the-go use. It comes with a variety of accessories, including prepared slides and a carrying case, which enhance the learning experience. The microscope features adjustable LED lighting, allowing users to illuminate specimens clearly for better observation. Number 4. Educational Insights GeoSafari Talking Microscope with Bindi Irwin. Introduce your child to a world of discovery with this interactive talking microscope. It encourages hands-on learning and sparks curiosity about the environment around them. Join Bindi Irwin on an exciting learning adventure. She shares over 100 fascinating facts and quizzes young scientists on plants, animals, and much more. This toy microscope is a fantastic way to introduce children to various scientific fields. It can ignite an interest in biology, geology, astronomy, and beyond. This microscope comes with 60 colorful images on 20 slides, 2 engaging modes of play, and dual eyepieces. It also features a convenient slide storage compartment. Looking for a great gift? This educational toy makes an excellent birthday present, holiday stocking stuffer, or back-to-school surprise for curious young minds. What we like. This talking microscope makes learning fun with over 100 facts and quizzes from Bindi Irwin. It's perfect for introducing preschoolers and toddlers to science in an engaging way. If you're looking for an interactive and entertaining way to spark a young child's curiosity about the natural world, this is the one. What people say. The Stemscope Kids Portable Microscope 2.0 is a great tool for young scientists. It's easy to use and comes with a variety of accessories. The microscope has a built-in light source that illuminates the specimen, making it easier to see details. The adjustable focus knob allows for clear images. It's also very portable, making it easy to take on the go for outdoor exploration or classroom activities. Number 3. National Geographic Kids Microscope. Discover the wonders of the microscopic world with this easy-to-use science kit. It's designed for young explorers to start their scientific journey. With large focus knobs and a soft-touch eyepiece, it's simple for kids to get a clear view. Adjustable features ensure specimens are perfectly positioned for exciting discoveries. This kit comes with prepared slides of plants, rocks, minerals, and blank slides for endless exploration. Hours of entertainment await as they investigate the tiny details of nature. Equipped with a pipette, specimen dish, and tweezers, this kit provides everything needed for exciting science experiments. Kids can investigate their surroundings just like real scientists. An included lab guide offers fun viewing activities and games to maximize their learning experience. They can even earn merit badge stickers for their achievements. This high-quality educational toy is perfect for sparking curiosity in children aged 6 and up. It's a fantastic way to encourage hands-on learning and a love for science. What we like. With up to 400x magnification and a comprehensive kit including prepared slides and rock specimens, this microscope offers a complete science experience. It's designed for ease of use with large focus knobs and an adjustable platform. If you want a robust, all-inclusive science kit for kids aged 6 and up to conduct experiments and explore diverse specimens, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Stemscope Kids Portable Microscope 2.0 is a great starter microscope for young children. It is easy to use and comes with a variety of accessories that allow for different types of viewing. The microscope is also very durable and can withstand rough handling by children. Number 2. BEBANG Kids Digital Microscope STEM Toy. Unleash your child's curiosity with this amazing digital microscope. It offers powerful magnification to discover hidden details in everyday objects. This portable microscope is designed for little hands and big adventures. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for taking anywhere, even in a pocket. Keep the exploration going with its built-in rechargeable battery. Enjoy up to 2.5 hours of continuous use on a single charge. It comes with everything needed to start exploring, including prepared glass slides and an upgraded slot for easy viewing. A durable case keeps it all protected. Packaged in a special gift box, this science kit is an ideal present for young learners aged 4 to 12. It's a gift that sparks imagination and learning. Easily adjust the focus wheel to achieve magnifications from 200x up to 1000x. Discover a universe of detail with simple controls. What we like. This digital microscope boasts an impressive 1000x magnification and a 4K screen for detailed viewing, plus the ability to capture photos and videos. Its rechargeable battery and compact size make it highly portable. If you're looking for a digital microscope that allows for high-resolution capture of discoveries and offers a modern, feature-rich experience for young explorers, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The Stemscope Kids Portable Microscope 2.0 is a fantastic educational tool that allows children to explore the microscopic world with ease and excitement. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for taking on field trips or using in different areas of the house. The microscope features a user-friendly interface with adjustable magnification levels, enabling clear and detailed observations of various specimens. Number 1. Ashfly Electronic Handheld Microscope for Kids. Discover a hidden world with this amazing electronic microscope designed for young explorers. It brings the smallest details to life right before your eyes. With its high-definition autofocus and a powerful digital magnifier, you can get incredibly close to nature. Observe everything from tiny insects to intricate plant details. Easily take photos and videos of your findings with its built-in camera. Save your amazing discoveries and share them with friends and family. This portable and durable microscope is perfect for outdoor adventures. Take it camping, hiking, or just to the backyard to explore the wonders around you. More than just a toy, it's a tool to ignite a passion for science. It encourages curiosity, boosts concentration, and develops fine motor skills. Looking for a unique and educational gift? This microscope is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to inspire a future scientist. What we like. Featuring a 2-inch IPS screen and 500x digital magnification, this handheld microscope is ideal for outdoor adventures. It supports photo and video capture with built-in storage and fast charging. If you're seeking a durable and engaging STEM toy for outdoor exploration, travel, and camping trips for kids aged 5 to 12, this microscope is a perfect companion. What people say. This microscope is great for kids, it's portable and easy to use. The image quality is surprisingly good for the price, and it comes with a variety of accessories. My child loves using this microscope to explore the world around them. It's a fantastic educational tool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.